You guys, I'm feeling super lazy right now. I'm just watching videos, like get ready with me videos right now. Oh my gosh! But I will be doing a get ready with me for the first day of school. I'm so excited for it. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna put lipstick on because yeah. Sometimes I don't know what to post for you guys. But today we're going to be doing squishies. Yeah. Don't mind a key. Well, first we need the supplies. Let's go grab it. Because I already have a little of the supplies, like the coloring stuff and like the paper and stuff. Let me show you what I've made so far. I have the bubble toner that I made. I also made a really mini version of Touchland. And then in my car, I have the bubble like facial spray thing. I was wanting to make a solution bubble like I can't. Okay guys, which one should I take? This one? Or this one? Let's go see if there's no tape because we need tape. I'm literally at work right now and this is what I do. There's no tape. Guys, there's no tape. There's just a little bit of tape in here. Frick. We'll make it work. I'm gonna take this tape, put that one there. I have an idea. I'm gonna take this one that I already got. What else was I needing? I think it was just this tape. Oh yeah, we can use some staples. You guys, I've gotten a staple cut and it was so bad. But yeah. Okay. Pair of maracas. I'll be back. Okay, back. Get the chair. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. If you guys haven't watched my Get Ready With Me, go watch it. Today I'm gonna make blush, and we're gonna make no, we're not gonna make blush. We're gonna make setting powder and maybe some setting spray. Let's get into it. So you're obviously gonna need paper, tape, and scissors, and markers. Okay, first I'm gonna make the little pouty puff thing. Okay, I got it done. What it should look like, you can do the kind of triangle shape or the circle shape. I think the circle shape is easier than the triangle. But if you want the triangle, you can make the triangle. Now you're just gonna put tape over it. This is what it should look like. And now you just cut it out. This is what it should look like. I forgot to tell you this, but you're also gonna need tissues or like some sort of like stuffy to like put it in, make it squishy. Honestly, I think using tissues like these are really good. So, then you're just gonna make the like little thingy. I'll show you what it should look like. Okay, and this is what it should look like. And then you put tape over it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I put tape over it. It's because it's, you know, clear tape. Now you're gonna cut it out. You got this is what it should look like. But I messed up. I made it way too little, so if you guys don't get it right, it's okay. But it's what the product should look like. I'm gonna do it again. This is what I made it. Like, if you guys want to take a screenshot, you guys can. So you guys can, like, you know, see. And then you're gonna get a piece of tape and just put it on the edge. And if you put it wrong, that's good because you can take the tape out. Because you have tape here, so, like, just, it's easier. Okay, forget that I said to put it on the edge of this. Put it here and make sure the sticky part is this way. Like, you'll see. Because then you're gonna put it right here, facing backwards. This is what it should look like. And then you're gonna do the circle part again. I got the outline of it and just traced it, so it's like easier. And then you tape it. And then you tape the bottom. This is what it should look like. Now that we made the powder puff, we're gonna make the powder, and I'll be back when I finished it. You're just gonna do like the steps that we did with this, just not this, you know. I finished it. This is like thingy. Here it is. And yeah, you guys, that's honestly it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It'll help me a lot. And make sure to check out my other channels. Let me write it for you guys. Okay, here they are. I don't know if you guys can see them good, but this is the @ TSUN07. And then this one's Preppy Olivia Z7R. So make sure you guys do these because I also can't find them. Bye guys, thank you so much. Peace, love.